To put this on already, then I remember we wanted to do a video of it. But I wasn't going to take this off because it's kind of annoying to get over it. It's a little tight, but it does fit over there. You just kind of got to work it a bit. It's this shrink tube shrinks down 3 to 1. Ideally, I would have liked to have put this on before I did the crimp, but I got spoiled because the bigger lugs, the shrink tube fits over them no problem, but these it's a little bit of a job to get it on over it. Sure, you could probably put some on there to lube it, whatnot. This takes much longer. I'm not showing this video. So anyways, I'm just kind of working on like that. And there, it's on there. And before I shrink tube it, I actually kind of put my bend in it already that I want. Keep from pulling the shrink tube at all. Shouldn't be able to pull it really, but. Now, this is, I find that you got to heat these up pretty good to get that adhesive to melt. I'm used to working with electronics, like musical instruments for the past 10 years, and that's all like 22 gauge wires, so it's like nothing through the shrink tube. But this stuff you got to heat it up pretty good, especially around that lug. Those lugs will pull that heat right out of that and not really allow that to melt, I think, so you got to heat it up a bit. Now, from what I understand, you're supposed to heat this up until you can see it start coming out. Hold on, got a fly on me. Flies are horrible. You want to heat that up until that starts coming out of there. You can kind of see it now coming out, the blue at the end. That's what you want to see. That'll give you a nice airtight seal. This little bend here sometimes doesn't like to seal too good, but I'll just kind of hit my thumb on it. Careful, that'll be hot. It's good.